Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a double page Shots of Life layout for the scrap room, and I'm using the Shots of Life kit. I have busted into it a little bit for a few other projects that I did, actually 4, but I have plenty left to do a double page spread and I am excited about it. Now I'm looking at it and I think at this point, who knows, things can change, because this actually matches this. Never mind, I'm leaving them all. I'm gonna kind of be concentrating on this side because I kind of like the vibe of these pale colors, but when I see this, I'm like, I bet I can make that work. Anywho, so what I'm thinking of doing is getting my pieces cut that I know I want on my background. And by the way, guys, I never remember what style this is. The style I like has the 4x6 and the 3x4s. You know, this one, this one, this one, you know what I mean. So I thought I would get the pieces cut that I definitely want to use for 4x6, and then the pieces I want to use for 3x4s and set them up. And then I'm going to print pictures. And I have a hankering to do the pictures in black and white. No good reason why, I just feel like it. So let's see, we can do a couple of them really easily. Let's go ahead and get this. Like, I look at this, I love this side, I love this side, whichever one will work is great. And this is 6 inches across. So let me just go right to 4 inches. If I have to trim it a little bit, I can. And this would be, how wide are you? You're 4x6. Oh, so we have 2 of these. I'm gonna do the same thing with this gorgeous bumblebee. I'll have a couple pieces of that, and then it's black and white stripes on the other side. Same thing with this gorgeous one right here. So we definitely have like the big anchor size ones. Ooh, I have a couple left here. Let's see how big it is. Yay! Okay, that's already 4x6, and it looks like this is as well. All right, so I've got lots of big pieces, which I love. Then I'm gonna do the same thing. Well, actually I ended up cutting all those pieces and they're all the exact right size. Not the point. Now I wanna go and take a look at these pieces. Like, I love, love, love this. I love this. So there's certain pieces I really wanna use as is, but I still can use this on the other side, right? So I'm gonna spend a little time cutting out things, and I will meet you right back here when I'm done. So I've cut up all the pieces. I have a couple pieces that are just placed and layered on the other cards because I wanted to get the vibe, and I love it. Now guys, keep this in mind though. I love a lot of pattern. I do have the colors dispersed. You know, there's a little aqua here, a little mauve color there. I love all of that. Now, a couple more things I think I might want to do. I want to fussy cut this piece. So let's go ahead and cut that out, because, you know, it's a flower truck. Love it. Love it. So I'm going to fussy cut that out. That's going to become a die cut. Is there anything else that, oh, and I'm going to fussy cut out this cute little plant. I think that would be a really great die cut. Now, next, I'm going to go ahead and next I'm going to go ahead and print out photos. Like I said, I'm going to do black and whites. I think that would be fun. But embellishment wise, this is where we are now. I've got a lot of this gingham gardens with this gold and the metallic. I think it's beautiful. Now, oftentimes, since these are clear stickers, I'll put them on a little bit of smooth white cardstock to use them more as die cuts, because sometimes the brightness of the design gets kind of nyeh when it's on another pattern paper. I've only got one little chipboard. Oh wait, this is a foamy. I'm telling you stories. That is not a chipboard. Don't look at that. Never mind. Let's see. I think I used all of the chipboard up that came with this. Sorry, guys. Got rather excited. Ooh, this Explore Together would be good off of this sticker sheet. I really like that Union Soldier blue kind of a vibe. I think it's so incredibly pretty. And I think I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut out that camera. So I've got those little chores to do from this. I definitely, let's see, there's some little words on this. I'm going to keep that handy because these are so great for like kind of filling in clusters. And then from this, guys, There are beautiful pieces on here. So I'm going to try to get just about everything on here. Maybe not the people as much. I'm not into the people as much. But the other things are really sweet, really cute. It'll help play up the floral kind of thing. So I'm going to look at that. And I'm going to put a bunch of these things onto that smooth white cardstock and cut them out, like we talked about. So I've got a little work to do. I've got to print out some black and white photos. I'll meet you right back here. I love to take you guys along for the ride, so I thought I'd show you my pictures I've printed of fun things this spring. So here's my husband walking my pups, and I just snapped some pics from right in front of him. That's in the commons of our subdivision. This is a Snapchat filter of my son because he likes to send me cute, funny pictures. Here's my husband, and we are on a walkabout by a river. Kind of a cool pic. This is my youngest, and she was showing me her eggs from the Easter egg hunt. This is Mr. and Mrs. Quack. I've decided they're the same ducks that come back every single year, and they hang out by our house. We love them. They're out by our bird feeder. Here's my son and his girlfriend, and they are in Savannah. Here's Mr. Blue, and Blue was standing on our bonfire pit because he thinks he's a goat. And then finally, here is my oldest daughter and my son's girlfriend, and they sent me a snap. Super cute. So that's what I have for that. Now, guys, I have a lot of, fussy cutting and stuff still to do, but I thought I'd show you kind of my process. I get, kind of the vibe of the papers I like down. Print some pictures. This time I decided black and white because they're from all different things this spring. And now we just get to do a little decorating. Alrighty guys, check-in time. So all of the new stickers that are down, these are those clear crepe paper stickers that I just backed with some white paper, and now they're fancy little die cuts. Now I also went ahead and grabbed out a couple of punches so I can, get somehow more pattern paper here and there. I don't have a lot left, which is totally fine by me, but I do have some that I think is super pretty. So let's see, what needs a little something something? Like this right here is gorgeous. So if you just take something like this, it's so simple, but you can go ahead and pop it beneath something. All of a sudden, it's a great little cluster starter. So, it's simple stuff. I know it's no big deal. This right here, this piece would be really great to make a cute little tab. Either side, guys, look at how cute. I didn't even mean to do that one. But that would be super cute with these girls like this. And then I have a little sticker for that piece. And what else do we have? Kind of like this blue. I don't have anything down here yet either. I don't know what we're going to do with that, but I do like this blue. I think that would be really cute to do a little something right here in this cluster. Fun. Okay. Then this photo is going to be that whole section right there. What else? What else? Excuse me. Sorry. I'm just looking at the rest of the colors, and I'm kind of happy with what I have there. Now, the other thing I have is this sticker sheet. So I'm going to spend time getting these things tacked down. I'm going to work in these cute little pieces. I did grab a little mini stapler so I can get a little bit of texture with that. I'm going to have silver and gold. It's going to be fine. Unless at the last second I decide it won't be. Ooh, take all of the pictures. Remember I said to you guys that I wanted to cut out this camera, but I'm thinking I like it as is. I don't think I'm cutting it out. I'm thinking I'm just making it part of this little piece here. Sweet. Okay, so I'm going to get all of these pieces down. We'll come back and we'll look at it all. I'm also going to go and see if I have just a little bit of, what should I get? Yeah, I'm just going to grab some bling or sequins or something, and we'll come back and just pop a few on together. All right, my friends, all of these pieces are down. I think it's super fun. I still need something for right there. Don't have something for right there. I should just print a picture and pop it on, and that would take care of it. All right, so I went into my vintage enamel dots and found some from who knows where, and I just thought I would go ahead and see about using it up because, you know, we can. I'll put just kind of sprinkle them around a little bit. Put this one here. I think that's cute. Little one over here. I don't even know if it has adhesive. It's not sticking. Okay, well, that's apparently a dud. Ugh, trying to get it off. Trying so hard. Okay. All right. And then same thing. I think the gray would work. I think the green will work. These cute little pink stars are adorable. And do a little tone on tone right here. They just will blend right in. Don't like that weird little space that I had there. So let's go ahead and cover that. Put a little circle right in the middle of this camera piece. Because we can. There, help. There we go. Then same thing with the green. So this is what I have. I'm going to find something for right here and I'll show you the finished goodies in just a moment. Guys, I just found my chipboard pieces that I thought were missing. So I am thinking there's got to be something fun we can do with that. Got this piece here. Totally got to use the chipboard. I have the books over here on one. I don't know. Well, that would be cute. They can be stacked up with this tote. Or, nah, they're a little too big. No, maybe the books don't get to get used. Cute. Stack up the florals. Oh, and then we have a cute camera. Guys, this still isn't working right here. Come on. It's so cute. Love the little camera. But I think I'm going to go find some letters and just put the word spring right there. I think that is what we need. And then, my friends, this is going to be done. So I'm going to bring my camera down. I know it's not fun to see it move, but this might be the best way to do it. So my first one, my title card just reads, Be Bright. We've got this card here, 4x6 with my husband, the pups. We have stickers on there and, you know, just some stash enamel dots. Right there. It's so fun because you get to add these different collections to help tell your story. There are 4 different collections worth, of enamel dots. I'm sorry, not enamel dots, but product. And we find a way to mix and match them and make it all work. And I think it is so darn fun. So guys, oh, sorry about the glare. Jeez Louise. That is what we have today. I will go ahead and put the links down below for the ScrapRoom website, for the Facebook group, as well as the blog, so you can get inspired by what the design team's doing and your fellow subbies are doing and all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, guys. Oh, still shots right there. Bye, guys.